Budgies have a talent for imitating sounds and even voices. The current Guinness record holder for bird with the largest vocabulary is a budgie who knew over 1,700 words. Although capable, most are not that keen on showing off this skill. They are, however, pretty keen on rambling in a cute budgie language, which can get loud, so don't get one if you or your neighbors prefer a quiet atmosphere. Keeping up with cage cleaning and a healthy diet is very important. This may sound easy, but with a hectic schedule or lifestyle, this may become difficult as time goes on, and these guys can live for over 15 years. Can't be a Birdhism video without the goodest boy Cody. He loved them cheeky rubs. I hope together we can honor his memory through kind acts towards birds, animals, and each other, even if they're sassy, like Hilda. They're as unique as you or I. Some are chatty, some are not. Some are chill, and some are high energy. It's our obligation to love them either way.